Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 8. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is appealing to persons who are in possession of illegal weapons to give them up. A similar appeal was made to persons who have information about the whereabouts of illegal guns and their users. The call follows the launch of the Operation Get Every Illegal Gun campaign, where between $250,000 and $500,000 will be paid out for the recovery of an illegal gun or the arrest of persons in possession of the illegal weapon. Prime Minister Holness is urging persons to utilize the information channels available, such as Crime Stop 113, Police 119, Peace Deb at 876-591-5671, or the JDF tip line 876-837-8888.
Use those mediums. Tell us what you know about the guns. Give up the guns. Call your police officer that you trust and tell them where the guns are. And better yet, tell us who are the gunmen.
He was speaking at the official opening of the Andrews Muse Recreational Center in Kingston on Friday. To complement the initiative, Mr. Holness says the new firearms bill being brought to Parliament will significantly increase the penalties for being caught with an illegal weapon or associating with an illegal firearm holder. Since the start of the year, 88 illegal guns have been recovered, with 13 being seized in Trelawney last week. Government will be looking to expand the kinds of materials used to build houses under the new social housing program. Currently, the main building materials used in the program are block and steel. But Prime Minister Andrew Holness says alternative materials are being identified to include board, bamboo and other fibers, foam and shipping containers. Mr. Holness made the disclosure Friday as he handed over a one-bedroom unit under the social housing program in West Central St. Andrew. The unit was built at a cost of $2.8 million.
We have to bring those into the solutions, to bring the price points down so that people can get decent housing. So I'm saying this now to say to the people who are looking for housing solutions that it is not always going to be a block and steel solution, and that you must be prepared to accept the other solutions that come. They are just as strong. They might be even better in terms of energy conservation, in terms of cooling, and in terms of the flexibility of designs.
The Prime Minister says 116 rooms in 46 units have already been built within the current fiscal year. Meanwhile, plans are afoot to convert the former Olympic Gardens police station into a housing development. During a tour of the old facility, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the development was part of efforts to rehabilitate and repurpose existing buildings.
This is a 7-unit block, and what we're going to do is to totally gut it, take out all the windows and all the partitions that were built in, and we're going to redo the plumbing, the electricals, and all the other accessories to the building.
Mr. Holness says the project will be financed by the West Central St. Andrew Trust. From the 7 units, one will be retained as barracks for the Olympic Gardens police station. Another will be used as a community center for the nearby Bay Farm Villa housing scheme. Approximately 10,000 persons have registered for the Tourism Workers Pension Scheme since its launch on January 1 this year. In addition, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says $43 million have been earned by the fund since the change in the pension scheme administrator and fund manager. The ministry is hoping to enroll the approximately 350,000 workers, employers, self-employed persons and any other group connected to the tourism sector.
And what it means, even if we did a simple bit of math, Ryan, is we could be managing at peak a little over 100 billion Jamaican dollars annually. And think of what that does in terms of the pool of domestic savings that generates in an economy for investment. And the strength of an economy and its ability to really grow is a function of its ability to convert domestic savings into investment.
While encouraging more tourism workers to support the initiative, Minister Bartlett says the scheme has started on a good note with favorable responses from the registered workers. The Tourism Workers Pension Scheme is a contributory plan supported by legislation and requires mandatory contributions by workers and employers in the sector. And finally, Jamaica received another batch of the COVID-19 Pfizer vaccine yesterday. It's the first of two tranches of approximately 649,350 doses from the government of the French Republic. At the handover ceremony, Foreign Affairs State Minister Senator Leslie Campbell said this represented the largest donation through the COVAX facility.
Your kind assistance in supporting the Jamaican health sector is greatly appreciated and marks yet another milestone in our country's dynamic bilateral cooperation in critical areas such as education, skills training, investment, shipping and logistics, infrastructure development, and renewable energy.
France has committed to sharing 120 million vaccine doses to developing countries by mid-2022. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.